Subscribe, like my channel. Oil to spoon. Onion chopped 1. Fry 1 minutes. Bell pepper chopped 1. Carrot chopped 1. Green chili chopped 2. Tuna fish 1 can. Fry 4 minutes. Black pepper 1 teaspoon. Chili flakes 1 teaspoon. Ginger powder 1 spoon. Garlic powder 1 spoon. Salt as required. Fry on medium flame 5 minutes until soft. Mayonnaise to spoon. Sweet chili sauce 3 spoon. Tomato ketchup 3 spoon. Green coriander, mint leaf ½ cup. Mix it well. Make sandwich. Ready to serve. Tasty. Delicious. Thanks for watching.